Very good afternoon to everyone. For today's Excel VLookup training, I'll be teaching you on how to check whether the staff coming in board the company, whether they are encountered positive or negative, and also the test date that they performed RTK test kit. So basically, you can see that there are two Excel files all together. The first Excel file here is all the staffs that required to check on their RTK test kit before they are able to come into the company during the pandemic of COVID-19. And another file is actually the Google Forms that has been created and sent through to the staff WhatsApp or through their emails to enter in all the particulars. An example, the most important one would be the RTK test kit that they have done on that day, and also the RTK antigen test result, whether they are negative, that means they do not have any symptoms of COVID-19, or positive, that they have symptoms of COVID-19. So basically, column E and column F, we need to put inside the master listing here. Okay, bear in mind that the ICs and also the current address and the phone I have omitted out due to privacy cases that I do not want these trainings that you all would call the people accordingly. So from here itself, let's say I want to test I want to put the VLookup whether the staff have got negative or positive. I need to use the function of VLookup to compare to my Google Forms Excel file. So the function would be, we just put equals VLookup, open bracket. What you want to look up is that the employee ID. Okay, so I click on B2 and then comma, and then the table array. Table array here, we need to use the Google Form Excel, where it's also a matching of worldwide ID here. So I highlight column D, and then after that, I want the results to come out whether is it a negative or a positive, which is residing in column F. So in column F, from D to F, there's actually three columns. All right. Then from here, I put comma, and then I put 3, and then I put 0 true value, close bracket, enter. So you can see that it's not applicable here. It's okay. And then we copy and paste down until the end of the staff records. Okay, so copy down the others also. Until the end of the staff. Alright, so now the next one is that we need to check on the test date that the staff have performed the RTK test kit. So from column E2, we just put the F function of VLookup, putting equals VLookup, open bracket, what value that you want to look up is the employee ID. Okay, comma, table array. Table array, we need to go to the Google Form Excel file, which is the second file here, and then we have to highlight on column D because we need to compare the worldwide ID. Okay, so the test date is actually in column E, so it's only two columns that the results will come out. Okay, then after that, from here, you put comma, put 2, and then comma, 0 true value, close bracket, enter. Okay, it comes out not applicable, and then from here we drag down the values until the end of the record. Okay, so from here, okay, Alright, so basically as you can see that it's supposed to match with the negative value because the staff have put in their details inside the Google form, and then this is the date that she has performed the uh, RTK TestKit testing. So basically what you can do here is that to check further, okay, you just put a filter here, filter, and then from here itself, under the not applicable one, you just uncheck, click OK, and then from there itself, you will know the total numbers of staff that have actually tested. So from here itself, you can see that there are 9 staff that has performed the RTK test kit, and the results are negative and the dates that they have performed. Okay, then if you were to go to the Google Form Excel spreadsheet, okay, you can just check. Okay, there are total of 9 files. So basically from here itself, you'll be able to know that how fast that you can actually compare a list of staff that you have. Currently, from my list is not that big, it's only uh, 41 staff. But if let's say your company has got thousands of staff, so if you want to check what would be the results or the date that they have performed the RTK test kit, use the VLookup functions to check from the Google form that the staff have entered in the survey, and then apply it to your master listing accordingly. I hope this information is able to help you in your work on VLookup in a more efficient manner. Thank you very much for your time in listening to my Excel training. Bye bye.